Greetings from my paradise. I see road, but we are all on the board. Come on, children, come on, children. They know my voice. Yeah. Frequency, children, frequency. Nora, it's not here. Yeah. This be totally different story. I don't worry about Nora. She's a butcher, survivor, like so many butchers. Mia, we miss Nora. She be back, huh? But in meantime, we can have fun. Yeah. Yup, 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 yup. Beautiful day. Huh? They make me happy. Only birds make me happy. Yeah? I'm dependable of birds. Yeah. Life is precious. God, take care. Feed the sparrow. You know. God with it. Let it go. Let it flow. Yep. Message. Mia, come on, girl. Chill tutti. And now Mia. Oh, here it's Mia. Oh, yeah. My Mia, precious. Thank you, Jessica. You did a great job. Yeah, the only one that I trust, my Jessica groomer. Yeah. She doing my job, Mia. Yeah, every time she doing better and better. So proud of my children. Look at it. Look at fun. Yeah. Real good, children. Real good. Now Mia needs to go out. Goodbye. Now I can pick up the poop. It's last froze. Yeah. So grateful. They start hitting. Cardinals likes to come in.